All right, it feels like winter out there, and it's starting to look like winter out there in the Grand Rapids area. Snow, about an inch or less in many locations in the Grand Rapids area. Just on the way to work today, saw a couple accidents, so it doesn't take a lot to make those roads slick. So if they're untreated out there, treat them as slippery, because that's essentially what we're going to get for the rest of the afternoon as the snow winds down. Here's a live view of Jenison Skycam. Bingo, there you go. Well, you can see the Jenison area is covered with snow as well. Not a deep snowpack, but nonetheless, different than what we saw the previous couple weeks. Storm Track Live radar shows the remainder of the snow out there just south of Grand Rapids with a few flurries. It becomes a little bit heavier as you head north out of Grand Rapids, but nothing heavy per se. We're still looking at about a half-mile and mile visibility out there with generally light snow. But again, this is going to continue working its way to the northeast. You can see the looping mode, the general movement to the north and east, and clearing conditions off to the west of us. But just in terms of the precipitation, I think we're going to continue with a cloud cover right on through the rest of the afternoon. You can see the general clearing line in western parts of Iowa. So once again, get used to the cloud cover. We had some sunshine yesterday, which was quite nice. Here is the next system. This one is just going to miss us off to the southeast. It's going to be a potent system that's going to move through Ohio and also into Pennsylvania, right through upstate New York. But that one is going to miss us as well with a lot of snow and rain, snow, and even some freezing rain. Temperature right now, 21 in Grand Rapids, 22 in Kalamazoo. So everybody essentially in the lower 20s at the present time. We're not going to see much of a temperature climb this afternoon. I think we'll peak essentially in the mid-20s. There could be an upper 20 out there here and there, but still warmer than what we had yesterday. That's only relatively speaking. The wind chill temperature is still quite chilly. Broad view shows nothing warm out there, at least not yet. Wind speed is now turning out of the south-southwest, and that's the general direction we'll have for the remainder of the afternoon. It feels like 11 degrees in Grand Rapids right now, 10 in Battle Creek, 13 in Kalamazoo. We'll start out with the lower Michigan view, and you can see by 3 o'clock this afternoon, snow showers for the most part coming to an end. Just a few flurries here and there. Here's a broader view, and this is what I wanted to point out. There's that big system that's going to miss us just off to the south and east. You can see Cleveland area going to get a big dose of snow. Pittsburgh, kind of a sloppy mess, and that system again moving up to the northeast and staying away from southwest lower Michigan. Tomorrow, I think, for the most part, we'll just see a few flurries. That will change tomorrow evening and overnight. I think some light snow will press through the area beginning tomorrow evening. But again, an inch or less, that's essentially it. Here's an 8-day forecast featuring temperatures remaining on the cool side right on through Thursday. Look at Thursday morning's low. 8 above, and that's in the city. I wouldn't be too surprised northeast and east of Grand Rapids in those cold spots. Certainly could see readings right around 0, if not below. Friday. I'm sure a lot of people are looking at Friday. If you're a fan of the warm temperatures, it does look like we'll have a legitimate shot at 50 degrees, but that's going to be accompanied with a strong southwest wind along with a decent chance of rain showers in the area of low pressure moving through. Still remaining mild behind it. It's not 50s Saturday, Sunday, but 40s. And that certainly is going to melt any snow that the paltry little snow that we'll see this week.
Right.
So,
yeah. It's going to feel a lot warmer, though, than what we have had.
Yeah, 50 would be the first time in 2016. So, yeah.
Okay. Matt, thanks.